Over to what's happening in the state of Tamil Nadu. Once known as a Hyderabad-based party, Owaisi's AIMIM is now spreading its wings in the south. The party has entered into the poll fray in Tamil Nadu, forming an alliance with TTV Dinakaran's Amma Makkal Munnetra Karagam in Tamil Nadu. Now, as part of the alliance, Owaisi's AIMIM will contest on 3 seats in the state.
Once taunted as Hyderabad's Mohalla leader, who fancies himself as a national leader, he is now spreading his wings for real. From Hyderabad, AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has made inroads into Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bihar, and now is out on a mission south.
गुजरात की विधानसभा के दरों दीवारों को इंसाफ का नाम लेकर उन दीवारों को हिला के रख दे, ये मेरा मकसद है।
Throwing up a surprise, the AIMIM has just entered into an alliance with Shashikala and TTV Dinakaran's AMMK for 3 Tamil Nadu assembly seats: Vaniambadi, Krishnagiri and Sankarapuram.
हम इस अलायंस का हिस्सा हैं। हम लोग जॉइंटली इलेक्शन कैंपेन करेंगे और हमारी 12 तारीख को चेन्नई में YMCA ग्राउंड्स पर शाम में एक पब्लिक मीटिंग भी होगी।
AMMK chief and Shashikala's nephew TTV Dinakaran has also rolled out the red carpet for Owaisi.
What about the alliance with AIMIM, sir? Was it on a long form or suddenly it occurred?
Yeah, it is there for 2-3 months we were talking, and now it has come to a final.
Tamil Nadu has been on Owaisi's mind for a while now. In 2016, when the AIMIM tried its luck in Tamil Nadu, contesting 2 seats, it was not seen as a potent force. However, the AIMIM managed to poll about 10,000 votes from Vaniambadi, the constituency it contested. Earlier this year, the DMK tried to forge ties with AIMIM in the state, but was forced to retreat due to pressure from its Muslim allies, Indian Union Muslim League and Manitanaya Makkal Kachchi. But it is not just Tamil Nadu. After successfully retaining 44 seats in the fiercely contested Hyderabad civic polls, the party is now eyeing the neighbouring state of Andhra Pradesh.
बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट से, दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट से डिमांड करता हूं,
contesting civic polls in Kurnool, Anantapur and Vijayawada. So far, it has attracted large crowds.
10 तारीख को आप जब अपने घर से पूरे इत्मीनान के साथ निकलकर अपना एक वोट मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन के हक में डालेंगे, ये इलेक्शन छोटा दिख रहा है YSRCP को, मगर मैं ये देख रहा हूं कि आंध्र प्रदेश में हम एक तारीख रकम करेंगे। यहां से हमारे सियासी सफर का आगाज होगा इंशाअल्लाह।
While the elections may not see the AIMIM make the kind of splash it made in Bihar, Owaisi is already planning ahead, looking to contest the 2023 assembly elections in Karnataka. The districts in North Karnataka, which were once part of the old Hyderabad state ruled by the Nizam, are in particular on the radar. Owaisi announced the name of Ilyas Seth as the AIMIM candidate from Gulbarga North, an indication that despite the allegations, he is keen to explore opportunities on new political turf. From Bengal in east to Tamil Nadu, Andhra and Karnataka in south, is Owaisi playing the vote cutter, as his detractors allege, or he's simply a force to reckon with? With T.S. Sudhir and Ashish, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.